Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I am here to share a haul video with you. This is my first kind of this type of haul. And I ordered a scrapbooking kit from Cocoa Daisy. And let me just say, I am so thrilled with this kit that I had to do a haul video for you. It is so gorgeous. So let me show you what I got in the kit. It is the scrapbooking kit. It came in this beautiful bag in a box with the same polka dots on it, but it's too big to fit here. All right, so this is the Umber and Gold collection. And this is what I got in my kit. Doesn't mean every kit will be exactly the same, but this is just amazing. So I have 2 washi tapes. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see those really well, but super gorgeous. This package of sticky notes, and it came with these letter stickers, so these puffy letters in this beautiful peach color, peach, salmon. All right, so I got 2 packages of these die cuts. Now, I'm not sure if these are stickers. I think I had watched somewhere that somebody had said that they had made them into stickers, but I don't know if they, oh, look at that. They are stickers. And they're super thick, so how nice is that? So I have 2 packages. One of them looks more like a Halloween package. That's this one. This one looks more like the fall package, and I'll pull them out and show you them after I go through here. This is a set of library cards, like that you put in the pockets. Right there. Oh, I'm so in love with this kit. So ephemera type library cards. How fun is that? There is 6 of them in the package. We have we have 2 4x6s. This one says, take a deep breath, pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and start all over again. This one says, happy Halloween and Halloween favorites. And this one is just blank on the back side. Then we have some 4x6 cards. Now, this is the one that came with the kit that just says, so it's from Christina, I think that says Christina, at Cocoa Daisy, and it just talks about the colors that she chose for this collection. But this is totally usable as a 4x6 card. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it matches the paper line. Then we have this one, Tonight We Fly, and then the bats on the back side. I love these guys. These jack-o'-lanterns, and on the back says Trick or Treat, Happy Halloween, and on the other side are these gorgeous dark green trees. And I put a spell on you, and on the other side it says keep calm and carry a wand. Now, I'm not a huge Halloween fan, but this is the kind of Halloween that I would like. I love the artistic feel to it. So along with that, we get 3x8 tags. Now, I, this year, started a 3x8 album, and I absolutely love it. Look at these. So pretty, and there's 3 in each. So this is a quote on it. It says, it's not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so on top of that, there are 2 of these pockets. They look like adhesive pockets that match. So cool. We have a chipboard stickers in the fall color line, so the umber and gold colors. So we have pumpkins, leaves, we have arrows, hearts, fall favorites, some other round stickers, autumn sunsets, a beautiful day, falling leaves, times are changing, home sweet home, October moments documented, life lately, real life right here, Focus on what's important, our life in pictures. Absolutely beautiful. And then we have the little sticker sheets. Now, mine is a mishmash, and I don't know if it's because I ordered late and they were running out, but I'm okay with that because I'm also a planner person, and there's a sheet of planner stickers in here. So I love them. Absolutely love them. And then we have some fall leaves. We have a Halloween stickers. Look at how awesome those are. Like, these stickers are fabulous. Planner add-on kit. So this is fall icons. And then more leaves. I love them. Love the little leaves. And then we get 2 specialty sheets. Now, these are, I don't know what size these are. Hang on. Let's take a look. They are 8.5 by 6 1/4. So the first one, and I'm going to try and find something to show it to you on. The first one is an acetate piece, and it has this gorgeous owl with the books on it. And my daughter's first thought was, is that Harry Potter? But absolutely gorgeous. And then the second one is an, not acetate, vellum. It's a vellum piece with the bats and the moon. Isn't that just stunning? All right, are you ready? Paper time. There are 2 of each paper in here. So this is the first one. And remember, this is the Umber and Gold collection from Cocoa Daisy. Isn't this stunning paper? Like, I'm just so thrilled with this. How gorgeous is that? And then we have this one, which just totally speaks to my heart because it has that mixed media look to it. And the other side, oh, this is one of my absolutely favorite color palettes. I don't know what draws me to it. It's so calming, it's so cozy. Look at that, just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so thrilled with this set. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a tone-on-tone polka dot. And then more leaves, more artistic looking leaves. And then we have this one, which is more of a collage look. In the background, it has some, looks like ephemera pieces, and then the leaves are on top. Beautiful plaid on the other side. And then we have this one, and all these tiny little fall leaves, and a beautiful stripe on the other side. And this says, and the leaves fell from the trees without regret. Absolutely beautiful. And there's 2 of each. So 12 sheets of paper. And I mean, the papers are just gorgeous. I love that they put 12 in, 2 of each. So if you absolutely love both sides, which I do with all of them, then you can at least use both sides of each piece of paper at least once. So that is the paper and the kit, but I want to show you the die cuts. I'm just looking for that whiter. Here, we'll go with this one so that you can see the die cuts. So these are the fall die cuts. And let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here for you. There, we'll try that. Oops, sorry, being the camera stand. On my way down. So gorgeous. Oh, and there's so many. Look at them all. So we have Daily, A Timeless Season. Oops. I'm trying to do this standing up. So we have leaves, pumpkins, Hello Gorgeous. Love it. A fun squirrel. Oh my goodness, there is so many. So we have leaves. What is this? A ball of, is it a ball of twine? Ball of twine or a ball of yarn? Beautiful. we have acorns. I think that's a pie. More acorns. Oops, sorry, I'll get in camera for you. We have a beautiful tree. And I apologize, I don't have the greatest lighting, so I'm trying to keep you out of the glare. Some leaves. This one says tracker. So this seems to be the planner die cuts. Monthly. What does this one say? Apple spice and everything nice. We have notes. We have weekly tracker. We have a weekend banner. That's fun. Let's see, what else do we have? We have enjoy a hot cuppa and more pumpkins. More squirrels, more leaves, an umbrella. There's more leaves. We have a scarf, a blanket, keep warm and stay cozy. There's the scarf, and then we have some to-go cups. So we have no coffee, no talkie. That's totally me. Pardon me. Hug in a mug. But first, coffee. And more pumpkins and a pine cone. So much fun. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's the one set of die cuts. Let's see what the other set has. I'm going to try and keep them together. I'm a stickler for organized, and I shouldn't be, but it just drives me nuts. These are definitely Halloween bits. All right, mischief managed. We have another banner with the branches behind it. The moon that hovers, wind that cries, mist and magic before your eyes. Very cool. Then we have more of a stringy, creepy looking banner. Then we have another one. It actually almost looks like the ampersand. There we go. Very cool. This one says, there is magic in the night when pumpkins glow by moonlight. Platform 9 3/4. This is definitely Harry Potter-ish. And I love it. So we have an envelope, a quill pen. We have a candle, a jack-o'-lantern, and a parchment scroll. How cool is that? So this is the kit. So this is a Maroon Gold collection from Cocoa Daisy. I am going to enjoy this to no end. I absolutely love this. My daughter is a huge Harry Potter fan, so this is going to fit right in to some layouts for her, some fall layouts, and hopefully some Halloween ones. I know they're going to a Halloween party this weekend, although she waited too late and couldn't get costumes, so her and Jared are going as green M&Ms. Totally doesn't fit the Halloween Harry Potter vibe, but that's okay. I will get her to dress up so I can take pictures, wizardish pictures for her, because she loves this kind of thing. And yeah, so I will be creating some layouts. Look at that fawn. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I will be creating some fall layouts and possibly even some pocket pages, definitely for the 3x8 album that I've been working in. I think I showed you a few months ago some of those layouts, so I'd like to do some more of those. I took some nice fall pictures of the Gracie and Peyton this weekend, my boyfriend's two granddaughters. So we'll get some of those pictures printed out, and so we can scrapbook them. And Halloween is coming, so we'll get more Halloween pictures of them too. Look at the washi tape. I hope you can see that without too much of a glare, but so pretty. So, so pretty. All right, so that's it for me with this video. I will see you again soon. If you are considering a Cocoa Daisy kit, even just a one-off, like I don't subscribe to it. This was a one-off for me. But, oh, I do not regret it. Not one little bit. So, yeah, there we go. I'll just scroll out for you so you can see it better. And that's it for me. I'll see you again soon with another video. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.